Know your audience. Building an email list must be treated like building an audience for your product or service. This is particularly important if what you're offering is not for everyone. For instance, a laundry service might be for everyone who owns clothes, but collectible radio sets are not. So the first step in building an email list is to figure out your audience. Whether you get them through social media channels or billboard, banner, or bus advertising if it applies to your product or service, you need to target the ones who are actually interested in your offering. Otherwise, you might be able to attract an audience, but it will never convert into anything substantial. As a result, the bounce rate of your website will be terribly high. In the internet marketing industry, bounce rate is the term used to describe the rate at which your audience is leaving the site. Even if you are not well versed in internet jargon, it should seem quite plausible with everything on the internet. We have all clicked on links that have redirected us to websites we have had no interest in. The same is applicable to email listings too. In fact, you actually don't want people who are not interested in your product, because then what you have to offer is reaching the wrong audience and is most likely being considered spam. A bounce rate of 26 to 40% is considered really good. The next level is average, which ranges from 41 to 55%, and anywhere from 56 to 70% is considered higher than average. If your bounce rate is over 70%, that means a huge chunk of people are making it to your landing page but aren't staying on it. That means you have channels that are bringing uninterested users to you. That's not helpful. So, once you start building an email list, start thinking of it as building a targeted email list. One of the best ways of doing that is to find high-rank websites and forums that are related to your niche. Consider going on forums like Reddit and Quora, where you can start threads on the subject. Make sure to add your URL to your profile and to the bottom of the threads with your signature. This is going to be a daily exercise, and you must do it long enough to have enough data to analyze what kind of audience it's bringing in. It's highly likely to bring in individuals who are interested in your product or service, and these avenues can be highly rewarding.